Channel, AutoTrader AI. Topic, Polymarket Arbitrage, how bots made $1 million exploiting a 2.7-second window. Length, 8 to 9 minutes. Audience, 25 to 45 seeking financial freedom. Tone, informative, engaging, slightly mysterious, empowering. Intro music fades out. Narrator. Imagine this, $1 million. Gone. Not over days or weeks. Not even hours. $1 million in pure profit, extracted from a single trade, in just 2.7 seconds. That's the blink of an eye. Faster than you can register what just happened. This wasn't luck. It wasn't a human genius. It was a bot. An AI-driven entity. And it exposed a fundamental flaw in one of the internet's most popular prediction markets. A flaw that you need to understand. Narrator. This isn't some theoretical scenario. It actually happened on Polymarket. A sophisticated AI program spotted an opportunity. A tiny, fleeting window. It moved with impossible speed. And it walked away with a fortune. The question isn't if these exploits are happening. They are. Constantly. The real question is, how did it work? And more importantly, what can you learn from this incredible demonstration of AI-powered trading to secure your own financial freedom? Stick around. Because the secrets of this 2.7-second heist will change how you think about passive income forever. Narrator. First, let's set the stage. What is Polymarket? Asterisk. It's a decentralized prediction market. Think of it like a betting exchange, but on blockchain. Users bet on real-world events. Will a certain cryptocurrency hit a new high? Will a political candidate win? You buy shares in an outcome. If your prediction is correct, your shares gain value. If wrong, they lose. Simple enough, right? The prices of these shares constantly fluctuate based on demand and supply. Now, enter arbitrage. Arbitrage is the oldest trick in the trading book. It's buying something low in one place and selling it high in another. Instant profit. In traditional markets, human traders try to do this. But it's incredibly difficult. Prices move too fast. Competition is fierce. On Polymarket, the challenge is similar. Prices for the same outcome can sometimes vary slightly across different trading pairs or even momentarily on the same market. A slight price difference might appear. A tiny inefficiency. A human trader might spot it. But by the time they click, buy, and sell, the opportunity is usually gone. The market corrects itself. Too slow. Too late. This is where the problem, and the opportunity, for bots truly begins. Humans are limited by reaction time. By network latency. By the speed of their fingers. Bots. They operate at the speed of light. Narrator. So, how did a bot exploit Polymarket to snag $1 million in less than 3 seconds? It comes down to two key factors: transaction ordering on a blockchain, and pure, unadulterated speed. When you make a trade on a blockchain, your transaction doesn't instantly appear. It's added to a MEM pool. A waiting room. Miners or validators then pick transactions from this pool to include in the next block. The order matters. A lot. What happened on Polymarket was a sophisticated form of what's known as MEV, maximal extractable value. Specifically, it was a rapid arbitrage or sandwich attack. Here's the breakdown. A large user on Polymarket decided to place a significant order. Let's say, buying a huge amount of yes shares for an upcoming event. This large order, if executed, would temporarily shift the price of yes shares upwards. Significantly. The bot, running 24/7, was constantly monitoring the MEM pool. It didn't wait for the order to be processed. It saw the user's large order before it was confirmed. The bot instantly calculated the potential price impact. It saw the future. Within milliseconds, the bot executed its plan. It submitted 2 transactions. First, it placed a buy order for the same yes shares just before the large user's order. This is called front-running. Its buy order got included in the same block, or an earlier one, snatching up shares at the current, lower price. Then, the large user's order executed, pushing the price up. Immediately after that, the bot executed its second transaction, a sell order. It sold the shares it just bought, at the now inflated price, just after the large user's order. The entire sequence, bot buy, user buy, bot sell, happened within that single block confirmation. That's the 2.7-second window. The time it took for the blockchain to process that specific block. The bot entered, profited, and exited before anyone, especially the original user, could even react. It was a perfect, automated arbitrage. Narrator. This wasn't theoretical. It was real. Blockchain explorers, like Etherscan, provide irrefutable proof. Every transaction is public. Analysts dissected the event. They tracked the wallets involved. The exact timestamps. They saw the massive user order. They saw the bot's precisely timed sandwich transactions. The numbers were staggering. The bot spent roughly $2 million to execute its initial buy. Then, just seconds later, sold those assets for over $3 million. A cool $1 million in profit. Tax-free, for the time being, and completely automated. This wasn't a one-off stroke of luck. These types of MEV exploits happen every single day across various decentralized finance platforms. Millions of dollars are extracted by sophisticated bots, quietly, efficiently. These bots are developed by highly skilled teams. They operate on powerful servers, with optimized code and direct access to blockchain data feeds. They are the ultimate example of AI in trading. They don't get tired. They don't have emotions. They don't make mistakes. They simply execute their program strategy at speeds impossible for any human. This particular Polymarket event serves as a stark reminder. In the world of decentralized finance, speed and automation aren't just an advantage. They are the new baseline. If you're trading manually against these entities, you're often at a severe disadvantage. You're essentially bringing a knife to a gunfight. Or rather, a human brain to a supercomputer battle. Narrator. So, what does this mean for you? You might be thinking, great. Bots are making millions. How does that help me achieve financial freedom? The point isn't that you should drop everything and try to build your own Polymarket arbitrage bot. That requires deep technical expertise, significant capital, and a highly competitive environment. But the lesson is crucial: automation and AI are the future of passive income. Asterisk. The principles behind that $1